Hello, my name's Ben and I'm a puppeteer. I'm also part of Autin Dance Theatre's creative team working on their new outdoor production called Out of the Deep Blue. This will feature a large-scale sea giant puppet called Echo, which will be operated by 5 puppeteers. Now this short video is part of a web series of 5 mini-films dealing with the issues of climate change and other environmental issues. And so because of that, we're going to be using a lot of recyclable materials like milk bottles, cereal boxes and yogurt pots. This puppet that I'm going to show you how to make today was designed by a brilliant puppet designer and director called Toby Ollier. Check out his stuff in the link below. So, I'll show you what you're going to need first and then we'll get started.
So to make your puppet you'll need a 4-pint milk bottle, make sure it's nice and clean, and also a 1-pint milk bottle. You'll also need 3 chopsticks or 3 sticks, make sure they're quite sturdy, and 2 drinking straws. Some thin cardboard like a cereal box. A sharp pencil. And scissors, sticky tape and string. Take the large milk bottle and we're going to cut out the handle. I've used a black marker here just to guide me. Take a sharp pencil and carefully poke a hole through the plastic. This will give you somewhere to start with the scissors. Carefully cut out the handle and discard that. This will be the body of your puppet. Take the pencil and make another hole about 3 centimeters down from the top. You can really push the pencil right through. Make sure the hole's nice and big. And repeat that on the other side. Next, take your small milk bottle. This will be the head of your puppet. You see it has a nose, eyes and a mouth. On the back, using your pencil, poke a hole halfway down. Next, take one of your chopsticks and poke the fatter end of it through the hole and then out through the mouth. Take a good length of tape, this is white sticky tape but you could use any strong tape, and wrap it around the chopstick so that it's sticky on the outside. Then feed the chopstick back inside the bottle and press it firmly against the forehead. Next, take an 80 centimeter piece of string and at either end wrap a piece of tape. This will help when we thread the string through the holes. Pass the string underneath the chopstick attached to the head and find the center. Then tie a simple bow and about 4 centimeters down, tighten it firmly in place. Use a piece of tape to keep it there. Bring back the body and then thread the string and the chopstick through the hole in the top. Then thread one piece of string through one hole in the side and the other piece in the other side. Then take 2 pieces of tape and stick the string to the inside of the bottle to make sure they don't move around too much, but that you still have motion in the head. Take your drinking straws and cut them in half. These will be the arms of your puppet. Take one side of the string and thread it through one half of one of the straws. Tie a double knot where the elbow would be. Make sure that there's still movement, so it's not too tight against the shoulder. Thread the second half on and tie a double knot where the wrist would be. Repeat this on the other side. Next, take some thin card, this is a cereal box, and draw two hands. They can be big, small, however you want them to be. And then cut them out. Using some more tape, stick the hands to the end of the arms. The two remaining chopsticks will be the control rods for your arms. Again, using tape, stick the chopstick to the palm of the hand. The puppet's nearly ready, it just needs some eyes. Take some white thin card and draw two circles. I'm using a roll of tape to draw around here. And then cut them out. With a marker pen, draw on two pupils. Next, take a thin strip of tape and fold it back on itself to form a double-sided loop. Then stick this to the back of one of the eyes. Repeat that for the other eye. Now take your puppet and stick the eyes onto the head.
And there we have it, your finished puppet. Now it's very easy to manipulate. One hand just holds the back here, which operates the head and also supports the body. And then with the other hand, you want to take both chopsticks in your fingers and hold the hands together. And if you can be quite dexterous with it, you can get a bit of movement going on there. And you want to imagine what they're looking at. So if they're looking over there, I want to go over there. Looking back over there, what's that? No. Boom. So find out how they move. They could be a bit slow and heavy. Or they could be excitable. Yes! What's that? What's that? Wow! They could be old and tired. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's have a little lie down. I'm going to sleep. Oh. Now, of course, this is a very basic, very plain puppet. And so you can characterize this and personalize it any way you want. You could paint them. You could stick on other bits. You could stick on some cardboard ears, maybe, or a big moustache. Or give it some hair with some cotton wool perhaps, give it a tie, but do whatever you want to it. So here's mine. What I've done is I've covered it in tinfoil to give it a metallic look, and I've used loads of plastic caps to make buttons. His ears, so you can hear very easily, a little telescopic eye. His mouth, I've cut a grill into that. And yeah, so do whatever you want. Once you've made your puppet and personalised it, I think it's time to give them a name. I'm going to name mine Robbie. Robbie the robot. And I think give your puppet a voice as well. I think Robbie speaks like this. Hello, I am Robbie the robot. Hi Robbie. Hello. And then how does your puppet move? I think Robbie looks and moves a bit robotically, obviously. What is that? Scanning. Alright, Robbie. So yeah, just have a play really. Puppetry is that. It's playing like you would with a doll or your toys. And we would love to see what you guys come up with. So maybe find a good spot in your house. Ask a grown-up if they can help you make a little short film of you and your puppet. Maybe you're introducing your puppet to your family. Maybe you're showing it around. Maybe the puppet's showing you around. Maybe it's telling you a story. Either way, upload it to social media or send it to us on the information below in the description box. And yeah, have fun. So there it is. There's our first tutorial. There'll be more coming along soon to make other different puppets. And in the meantime, have fun, be kind, and let's protect the planet together.
Greetings, I am Robbie the robot. I have come from many light years away to meet with your leaders. Here is one now. Greetings! Greetings to you! Hello? 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 Oh! Hello? Very interesting. What else do you have to say to us from our far, far planet? We are waiting to hear your speech. Please, tell us. Oh. Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 Ah! I shall try again. Greetings. I have come many light years to speak with you. I do not think it speaks the same language. Hello? Oh. Oh! Hello? 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 Oh, cool. My senses are reading fish. I am not having much luck. Greetings. I have traveled many miles to speak with you. Do you need a hand? Oh. Oh! Ha ha ha! Oh! Malfunction. Must power down. Greetings. I am Robbie the robot.